So for today's video, I will teach you how to find your Trust Wallet private key, but I will tell you an alternative solution for you to be able to open or access your funds on your Trust Wallet. So basically, you need to open your Trust Wallet application and make sure that you have on your wallet dashboard. So after you access that, you just need to click the drop down menu on the top, which is the My Wallet, and then after that, beside the My Wallet multi-coin wallet, there are three dots which you will need to click. And once you clicked in, just simply click the manual or even the iCloud if you stored your phrase backup right there. So in my case, I saved it manually. So just simply click in the manual. So after that, a verification will pop up onto you and you just have to click the two phrases right here and click continue for you to able to see your 12-word recovery seed phrase. So the reason that why Trust Wallet doesn't show the private key by default is for them to protect you as well as your funds. And always ensure that your recovery phrase is backed up securely so you can access your funds and wallets anytime. And as it's your key to restoring access to your wallet as well. So basically, this is just an alternative method that you can use for you to able to access your wallets and your funds as well. So private key on your Trust Wallet won't show directly. So you just need to save your 12 words security phrase, something like that. So I hope you found it super helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. And if you have any questions or suggestions, just drop them in the comment section. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.